Hello, welcome back to another After Effects video. In this video I want to look at nesting comps. So why do you want to nest a comp? Well, the reason is because if we want to apply, so we've got this alpha channel, we can see we've got this clip, and this is fine. I've removed the background as well because you recall that if you wanted to apply adjustment layers, you can't use a background. That's one reason as well that you might want to do the nesting, because but the main reason why you want to do the nesting is because you can't apply effects, because effects are going to happen to basically before the comp. So effects are going to happen before the track mat takes place. So what it means, if I wanted to say, like, there's a twirl effect, for instance, I'd have to apply it to both layers, and that's just not how you do it. But if I want to apply the twirl effect to like this whole thing, I need to do nesting, right? And how do you nest? Well, all you do for nesting is, and then what you do is you essentially nest the layer. So if you wanted to nest this, say this landscape, I just drag this one onto here, and now it becomes one, right? It means I can still, if I wanted to, mess around with the first one as well. And incidentally, if you look at the different, look at where the current time indicator is, just over 2 seconds, it synergizes like across all the different comps. You can change that in the options menu if you want, though. And the other thing as well is that the layer styles happen like after the track mat has been created. So, but you can still, it will still be before this, right? So we could do the layer styles here instead. So the layer styles will happen after the track mat has taken place, but it's going to happen before. At this point, it means that we can do whatever we want here. I guess we'll check out this twirl effect. Let's just see what it does in terms of this. Yeah, twirl is pretty cool, actually. One final thing to mention as well is that I just went back to the first one and just put in a scaling on a null object at the top, which I apparently did with these two. So this basically just does this, right? But if we go back, you can see this is actually the result, right? Actually makes the effect much more meaningful, right? We make the twirl really, you can literally make the twirl like 6 rotations, for instance, at the beginning. And then just at the end have it as 0. So that's like a very easy way to do it, right? So that's pretty clean, you can say. So yeah, so that means, yeah, it's very, very, very simple actually how to do that. Anyway, thanks for watching.